sun is shining 24/7. Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you.
I don't know you, but I sure like your face. What do you say we just get out of this place? Drive up the coast like we're running away from the cops. Broke the law at sundown. What's left to do that wasn't already done? In my head I just ignore the alarm. Shots ring out, you got my blood on your arm. Drop the cash, hide the stash until sundown. It's almost sundown. Yeah, I say this isn't safe, but I'm still ready for it. Feel the point of the blade, can we hold steady for it? Tonight I leave familiar for the great unknown. Got a couple broken arrows and my hair is grown since you saw me last, talking on an old flip phone. Today I share the skin of who I used to be. Got Sinatra on a 45, I'm buzzing like a bee. Just hoping you'll come fly with me. I took a Greyhound down to Georgia, then a rental up to Maine. Mama's cooking in the kitchen, and our stomachs have eyes. We take a seat at the table as the sun splits through the open blinds. And Dolly's barking from the front yard, and she wants to come inside. Yeah, I got a sweet suspicion that these are good times, and that our sunrise will come, and that a goodbye are never gone, never gone, never gone. Say yeah. Feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we have perfected. When the wind changed with all its might, I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Now we're walking through the courtyard, and leaves roll over our shoestrings. So we speak of family and love, the only truth is